Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of app icons on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and this is my Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. And first of all, we need to open our home screen and then we can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen. And then the screen will look like this and we have to choose the wallpaper and style. Okay, and after that we have to activate the color palette feature to change the color of our app icons. Then just click on this option and then you can click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, here you can choose the color palette from wallpaper colors or from basic colors, and I'm just going to try it one by one, and I'm going to try the basic colors as well. I'm going to select this color, for example. Then we can scroll down a little bit and click on this option, apply palette to app icons. Click on this toggle button and then you can click on apply. Okay, and you just need to wait until the process has completed. Now it's still loading. All right, now it's done guys, and I'm going to check it on my app screen. As you can see that the color of the app icons have been changed. Okay, this is how it looks. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the color of app icon on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.